Why choose Python over other programming languages? It's a question that many aspiring coders and seasoned professionals alike grapple with. Python, a high-level interpreted programming language, is known for its simplicity and readability and has been gaining popularity at a rapid pace. But what sets it apart from the multitude of other programming languages? Why is it the language of choice for many? Well, the first reason is its simplicity. Python's syntax is clean and easy to understand, with an emphasis on readability. This means you can do more with less code. If you're just starting your coding journey, Python is a great place to start. Even if you're a seasoned pro, Python's simplicity allows you to focus on problem solving rather than getting tangled up in complex syntax. Python is also incredibly versatile. It's used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Its wide range of applications makes it a valuable tool for any programmer's toolbox. Another advantage of Python is its extensive library support. Python's standard library is vast, covering areas such as internet protocols, string operations, operating system interfaces, and much more. This not only makes Python a powerful language, but it also saves you time and effort. Not to mention, Python has a strong community. With millions of Python developers around the world, you're never alone. This community is constantly sharing knowledge, creating resources, and making Python better. This means you have access to a wealth of knowledge and resources at your fingertips. And let's not forget about Python's efficiency. With Python, you can often achieve the same results as other languages, but with less code and in less time. This efficiency can lead to significant time savings, especially on larger projects. But perhaps one of the most compelling reasons to choose Python is its potential for the future. Python is at the forefront of groundbreaking fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. Choosing Python isn't just about what you can do today, it's about setting yourself up for the future. So why choose Python over other programming languages? Its simplicity, versatility, extensive library support, strong community, efficiency, and potential for the future all make it a compelling choice. Whether you're just starting your coding journey or looking to expand your skills, Python offers a wealth of opportunities. So, when it comes to choosing a programming language, consider Python. It's not just about choosing a language, it's about choosing a pathway to success.